What was your wildest therapy moment? Alright, so I booked my first therapy session after having a full-on mental breakdown mid-presentation at work. We're talking straight-up panic attack like I was being hunted by ghosts. This started about 3 months back. I'm standing there in front of the team, giving a slideshow on quarterly revenue, when boom, heart pounding, hands shaking, tunnel vision, sweating like I ran a marathon through hell. I legit thought I was dying. Had to flee the conference room like I'd seen a ghost. Super professional. After my third mid-meeting freakout, my boss basically sat me down and said, "Get help or get out." So I made an appointment at this fancy downtown therapy office, because nothing screams mental stability like glass walls and fake bamboo plants. The waiting room was full beige mode, beige chairs, beige walls, beige fish tank, and of course, those fake little water fountains doing the whole calm trickle thing, like I was supposed to suddenly find inner peace because of mildly moist air. I was sweating through my shirt like I'd just run a mile in jeans, when this little girl, maybe 11 or 12, walks out of a room bawling her eyes out, hugging a worn-out stuffed bunny like her life depended on it. That didn't exactly help my nerves. Then they called my name. I stood up like I was walking the plank, expected some old white-haired therapist with glasses and a PhD framed in mahogany, but nope. I walk in, and my therapist is this girl who looks fresh out of college, like maybe 25 max, pixie haircut, jeans, Converse, and this chill vibe like she just got off her shift at a record store. Immediately I was like, I'm about to waste $150 on a yoga blogger with a psychology degree from TikTok. She goes, "So, tell me about your panic attacks," and pulls out a notebook like she's taking snack orders. I start explaining how they hit out of nowhere, how I can't breathe, how I think I'm dying. Then, dead ass, in the middle of me talking, she starts having a panic attack, like full blown, hyperventilating, shaking, gripping the chair like it's a roller coaster about to take off. I was like, oh my god, do I call 911? Do I call her mom? But then she holds up a finger, like 1 sec please, closes her eyes, and starts doing this deep breathing thing. In through the nose for 4, hold for 7, out through the mouth for 8. Does it 5 times, I count. By the last one, she's chill, like completely back to normal, not even sweating. She opens her eyes and goes, "Sorry about that. I have panic disorder too. That's actually why I became a therapist." I was floored. Like, huh? What? You're out here professionally therapizing people while fighting off the same demons? So I asked her straight up, "Isn't that, I don't know, unprofessional?" She laughed. Not awkwardly, like actually laughed. "Probably the most unprofessional thing I've done all week," she said. "But also, I just taught you something." Like what? That panic attacks end. You just saw me go full chaos and come back to normal in under 60 seconds. Your brain needed to see that, and holy crap, she was right. Watching her do it, in real time, took my fear and smacked it in the face. It was like my anxiety suddenly had proof that I wasn't gonna explode every time I panicked. She explained how most therapists read about this stuff in textbooks, memorize symptoms, prescribe breathing. "But I live it," she said, "every day. I know what works because I've tested it during 3 a.m. freakouts in my own apartment." Then she pulls out her phone and shows me this app where she tracks every panic episode. What triggered it, how long it lasted, what worked, what didn't. She's basically running a science lab in her brain and sharing the cheat codes with her patients. I asked, "Is that even legal?" She goes, "Yep, and way more useful than someone who's never had a panic attack telling you to just drink tea and count clouds." Over the next few sessions, she taught me her exact techniques, like real ones, not try journaling or drink water. I'm talking stuff like spotting the first signs before the spiral starts, how to interrupt the loop, how to mentally sit in the discomfort without giving it power. She told me, "The worst part about panic attacks isn't the physical stuff, it's the fear of the next one. But once you know, really know, that they can't kill you, that they always end, it's like cutting their legs off." That was 4 years ago.